welcome to another case video on the Mobile Made Simple channel. So today we're looking at 3 cases that's currently available on Amazon for the newly released iPhone 12 Pro. So obviously there is official Apple cases that I will be reviewing, but Apple's got some lengthy shipping times on the website at the minute, so you have to go into store. So as I haven't had a chance to do that yet, I've picked up a couple of cases that are available on Amazon Prime in the UK. And these are a couple of cases that I've used for iPhones in the past. So hopefully you'll find this video useful. And this is the first time I've reviewed multiple cases on one video, so if you do like this kind of video, then obviously let me know in the comments. And I've gone for a clear case, a blue case to match the Pacific Blue, and then the Sup Case Unicorn Beetles. That's quite a tough case. So we'll start off with the ESR case. So if we open this, so take this one out. So ESR are a known company. They do screen protectors and a lot of good cases. I've used this before. The good thing with this case is it's actually glass back rather than plastic, so it feels nicer to the touch. So if you look, it says this glass case smashed the test. So we peel this off. And the advantage with glass is it should keep clarity and it shouldn't yellow like some clear cases do. So if we put the iPhone into here, it's a nice solid fit. So obviously the benefit of the clear case is you can see that new Pacific Blue colour if you want to show it off that you have got the new phone. The buttons are nice and tactile, good clicks on the volume. I've got a feather stuck in there, that's how tight the fit is. Got good access and everything lined up for your lightning port, speakers, and obviously this back is tempered glass, so it does feel nice to the touch. So you've got a TPU side and then a glass back. So yeah, if you're looking for a clear case, then this is a good recommendation. So now we'll try the Rinky case. So I know a lot of you are fans of the Rinky case for the Galaxy Fold. I did order the black one and the clear one, but the clear one was meant to arrive yesterday and then it said delayed. So I'm not sure what's gone on there, but the iPhone one arrived as planned. There's a 20% accessories discount. So this is the Rinky Onyx case. It's actually got quite a nice matte texture to it, that has. Feels nice. So we'll put it in, and obviously the blue matches the Pacific Blue. That's why I chose this case in navy. So it's got nice silver buttons there that stand out. Yeah, instantly I do really like this case. Make sure it's clicked on at the bottom. You got good access to the port. You can see the camera there, and the blues are nice. It goes in nice with the navy of this case. Nice clickable buttons. Whether they are, but they actually feel similar to the aluminium buttons that are on the Apple leather cases, which is quite a nice touch. I think this case was only about £8 or £9 in the UK, so this is quite impressive. So this is another win for Rinky. And obviously on the back you've got these lines in the corners, which I think is if obviously it's standing flat on a table, then it is protecting that camera lens, even though you have got the raised camera bump round there. So yeah, I do recommend this case. This is a very nice feeling case. So now we'll have a look at the Sup Case. So now we look at the Unicorn Beetle from Sup Case. So this is probably the toughest case of the 3. And if you are someone that works in construction, or obviously you are very clumsy with your phone, then you may want to consider something like this. So installation video. Interesting. This is one that has got a front screen protector on as well. I can remember I had the similar case for the iPad, but usually it is detachable and you can just use the back. Let's have a look if I can shove that out. So yeah, it is a rubber back with the plastic front. As I said, I did use this case on the iPad Pro when I was travelling, and even though it did make it like a tank, it was dropped etc, and it still survived without a mark on it, so I know these are a very good brand. So without watching the installation video, I'm just going to guess. So we'll put the phone in there. Actually with this one you can't use it without the front, as the phone will just drop out. So this has got to be used with the plastic front protector. So it is different to the iPad one. So we'll take that off. Rather than clipping in, it might be best to put the front on first, I think. So position the phone in there. Yeah, that's a nice fit. And obviously the plastic goes over it. So now this does make the new iPhone 12 into a tank. In this case it actually looks like one of them doogie phones or something that you'd order from Amazon. But yeah, its screen still works. As yeah, you can click the buttons, everything's still working fine. So obviously if you don't want to buy a tempered glass, then this is an option for that plastic. So again, it's nice buttons on the side, good volume buttons, you've got access to your volume switcher. Out of the three, on initial impressions, I think I will be using the Rinky case. But yeah, let me know what you think of the cases in the comments. If you are buying an iPhone 12 Pro, if you've got any other case recommendations, then obviously let me know. If you do want to see more accessory videos, then please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.